Hi viewers, today I am going to provide the information about the regulators. As you know, the regulators regulate the produced voltage from the generators. The regulator is the one of the components of the generators, and in my lectures I will teach you how regulator regulate the voltage and how many types of the regulator and how they works. And after I will show you how we identify the different type of the regulators, because there are two types of main regulators, minus and plus. And at the end of the video it is important for you people know how we can identify also the main points of the regulator. You know, the regulator have the 3 points here: D plus, D minus and DF. The information which I giving to you about the regulator you never heard or listened before. So regulators, you know, the regulators regulate the only voltage, but what type of regulators and how we test the regulator you never did it before, I am sure. So please listen carefully about this one, regulators. So regulators mean to regulate. First, regulate the voltage generated by the generator is first function. Second function, the protect against overload caused by too high output currents. And third one is a protection against reverse current. So now you can, if the output voltage or the output current of the generator exceeds the determined maximum value, the field current, and thus the electric power is reduced. Second one, the alternator. In the alternator, the electrically arranged exciter field of the generator rotor is influenced by attached electric charge regulator. A regulator transfer the field current to slip rings of the rotor. And third one, the regulator compares the rectified actual current to the generator with the stable reference voltage in the regulator and matches the strength of the exciter field by increasing or reducing current flow. PWM, pulse width modulation switch controller, in such a way that actual voltage of the generator voltage is thereby regulated. The generator current, however, is not measured but limited by construction dependent internal resistance of the stator coil or thermal monitorings. So this was the actually function of the regulator. Now we talk about the types of the regulators. There are two types, I told you. The first is a minus regulator and second one is the plus regulator. So minus regulator, you can see if the carbon brush is not connected to the ground, the regulator is a so-called minus controlled regulator. The exciter winding is positioned between D plus and D minus. You can see also in figures, this is exciter windings. This exciter windings, this is a one side is DF and second is D plus 1. The regulator therefore regulate the exciter winding on the ground side. It regulate from the ground side, therefore it is called a minus regulator. The other carbon brush is connected with the cathode of the exciter winding diode. Cathode of the exciter winding terminal D plus. So D plus is a vehicle wiring system and D minus is a ground contact and DF is the dynamo field and some on the, and you can see on the generator is also written as a W. W means a frequency. So this is U, actually U, this is a complete regulator. U mean a unit. This is regulator units is three corners. So this D plus, DF and D minus, and 31 and 30 and 15 is a terminal number on the generators. So this one is a light which we should tell us the generator is working or not working. So now plus regulator, if the carbon brush is connected to the ground, the regulator is a so-called plus controlled regulator. The exciter winding is positioned between D minus and DF. In minus regulator, you see this exciter winding was connected between DF and D plus, but here in plus regulator the winding is the exciter winding is connected between minus D and DF. The regulator therefore regulates the exciter winding on the plus side. The other carbon brush is then connected with the terminal DF, and if the carbon brush one is connected to ground and second one is a DF, but in minus one is connected to the DF and other one connected to the D plus. So this is same D plus, D minus and DF, and this you can see also same is this, but difference is only here is this exciting winding is the D minus and the minus is connected to other sides, and this is switch, ignition switch on and off. Now is the regulator is the main part, the testing. How to test the regulator? I am 100% sure before, I don't know, I not heard before, maybe you also not tested before the regulators, how to test the regulator. So how we can test a regulator is faulty or not, to sure about, to ensure it is really, by sometimes we not ensure, but for ourselves, after my video you can test the regulator. How to test? So for testing, what is need for testing this regulator? The basic function of the disassembled regulator. First you disassemble the regulator from the generator, and then can easily be tested out. Easily a test कर सकते हैं. For it we need 12 volt lamp and adjustable DC power supply 0 to 16. This is for the system, this is for 14 volt systems. If you want to check the generator for regulator of the 24 volt, then you need this power supply from the 0 to 30 volt. Then you connection, what you connect this regulator, you connect the regulator D plus to positive side of the battery and D minus to the negative side of the battery, and this lamp is to the brushes of the regulator. Okay, this is your main connections. This is the connection of the testing, how to test. Now what you have to do, you increase the voltage of this battery. So what will happen? Connect the regulator D plus and D minus to the power supply, as you can see in the figure, and the lamp of the both carbon brushes. When slowly increasing the voltage, the lamp will first become brighter, because the regulator allows all lamp current, which one is equal to exciter current, to flow at voltage value up to the 14.4, and whenever your battery reach the 14.4, this light, this will become brighter. But if you increase more than this one, then once the regulator voltage reached, the regulator switches lamp current off. When returning voltage back below the control voltage, the regulator will switches the lamp back on. So this one is about the regulator, what is the function of regulator, and what type of regulator, and how we test regulator. Hi viewers, as I taught you in the lectures how we identify the regulator whether this one, and also what type of the regulator is minus or this a plus. So now I am going to show you the different connections, the connection of the regulators. It is a DF, D minus and D plus. And also I will show you this one is a plus regulators or a minus regulator. So in front of you, you can see these are the two spring rings, two brushes. These are the two brushes. One brush is always connected to DF, and second brush is connected to minus or plus. D minus or D plus. So one is always connected to the DF, but second one is so brushes. And you can see this side. This is the this one is our this side is directly connected to the body of the alternators. Body of alternators, it means this area is directly connected to body, and this one, and from this point is inside. So this is connected to the body, and this is not connected to the brush, any brush. This is so this one is regulated through this minus one. And this, you can say this one is a DF. So DF, internally connected DF, and this DF is connected to this one from here to brush, this upper brush. You can see upper brush is directly connected to the this DF. If you can see this one, okay, this DF to this brush first, and this is one, and this is we put one connector to here, and this connector come from the generator D plus is connected to here, and this one is connected to you can see from this one, this is downside brush, this down brush, this one, and this one is also connected to internally attached to the body of the generator, and body of generator is attached to body of the machine. It means this one is a negative side, this is a D minus, this is a D minus, and this is a D plus. So this D minus is not connected to any ring, so it is regulated through from the minus side. So this is called a minus regulator.